Right, what's up, guys? This is Jay, and this is how to get started and literally just get up and running with an MVP. If you need to create a course or learning material or just landing page, this goes through the entirety of it on GoHighLevel and how to get up and running instantly. This is what people charge, 5K, 10K, et cetera, of literally it's this simple. But basically, to start, you'll have your GoHighLevel account. Click next, go to my staff. You need to add yourself or add the person that's going to be taking the calls. You can just add them here. And the reason that I did this on a demo is so you'll know exactly where to click because it'll zoom in on the important things. Next. I'm in the way. Save. Go back. And we're going to do a new funnel. So with this, it's literally just a book a call funnel. Very simple. How to get up and running very easily here. Go ahead and create that. Go to calendars, calendar settings, new calendar, that, name it, just book a call. The reason why I'm having you create a calendar now is because you'll need to, and why you created your person is you need to actually do that. And in your personal profile, you'll need to. Okay, this takes a while, so I'll just talk over this. Here, let's see if we can just skip it. Yeah. So it took me a little bit to actually get the the right name here, but now that you have it, take a little while. Let's see if we got it. Confirm. There we go. That's your calendar. You can also send this link to people if you need to embed it or just send the link. And then we're going to go back, and now we're going to create the actual site. So go to site, book call funnel, start the new funnel, book call. We're going to create it. When you go, click here, and this is how you create any type of funnel. Regardless, it's this. These are the steps. You just create, select the calendar, book call calendar that you created. You're going to add the element. You're just going to have the heading, image, and then bulleted list. Then you can edit these. And a lot of people will just give you snapshots. It's good to go through this too, because that way you know what to change, how to change things, and the most important things of funnels and what to customize this as you need to. So this is very simple. Simple things scale. This is the same web page that is used by multi-million-dollar companies that I've worked with, and the same. Let's just disable this. The same one will work for you, especially just starting off. The most important thing is going to be building your product and talking to clients, talking to customers. So this is just getting the profile picture. If you don't have one yourself, this is just an example. So I just went on and this is how you upload it. So you click on the upload, click on the picture to upload it, and then save it. So once this funnel's saved, you can add the title, just simple book a call. Let's see if I can just. There we go. Okay, cool. Save it, go back, and now we're going to go into settings, and now we're going to hook up your domain. So on the domains, you want to go to whatever domain provider. I did Squarespace. You can do GoDaddy. Any one of the main ones. It's all going to be the same. I tried this one a little bit. Don't worry. You're going to go to connect. You're going to paste in your domain. So right now I'm going to use this one because it's not in use. You're going to go to the DNS settings, and then you're going to delete the DNS settings that already are in there. You really just need to delete the A and the C name. I'll explain what those are. You're going to paste it in. It's going to click continue, and then these are the things you need to paste in the A and then the C name record. Literally, this is how easy it is. You'll go to your DNS settings. You'll go to add a record. It'll be an A name. Sometimes these are in different spots, like the type might be first, et cetera, et cetera. The type is going to be A. The host is going to be the @ symbol, and then the IP address is going to be that IP address that is given in here. Literally, you're just copying these two things over and saving them in your domain provider. and really you're just checking to make sure there's only one A name and one C name. So if there's a bunch of other things, sometimes they're there from different providers. You're just going to delete them and just have these two. So once you do that, you're going to set up the domain, and then you're going to link the funnel, link it to the book a call funnel that we just created, and then proceed to finish. This is and it's going to take it took me about 3 minutes to check to make sure that it's good. And then you can go into your contacts. You can see that that I just tried to book a call, and the contact came up here. So you can see that I just practiced on the funnel, and you can go to it and see that the funnel is actually working, that you just booked with the test. And that's how easy it is to create the actual funnel portion of it. So now we're going to go into the actual membership portion. So this is once people are onboarded, and or once you've talked to people, they've confirmed, you've sent them over an invoice, which we'll go over. Now the actual membership. So GoHighLevel actually has a really easy thing. You may have heard of like School or Kajabi or anything like this, membership stuff. So it's a very simple. If you're doing training, it's very simple, and a lot of people like don't actually watch training. So this is why it's easier to just create it, have it there so people can reference them, and then hop on with them one-on-one group calls or interactive demos like this, and actually have them go through the process so that they get it. So anyways, we're going to create a community here, name it anything you want, group description, etc., etc. And this is basically an exact replica of School. It's just integrated and white labeled to GoHighLevel. So you have this already built in. You don't have to pay an additional $99 for it. All of it's included in here. So now what we want to do is create a new course. So with this, it's called Product. Start from scratch. And you're going to go into the courses. So with this sprint course, you can save that and then go back to the communities, click on that, log in, and then you can see that the course is actually there. So I can show you on my screen here. If you go to the courses, this is what it looks like. This is your learning area. And then on the learning area, you can then see the sprint course. So that's how, from start to finish here, what is that? In under 7 minutes, you can have a funnel and your course ready, and then focus on the main things, which is your offer and your and getting people to book a call with you, whether this be immediate people that you're interested in booking a call with, or or you can run ads to it and get people to book a call there. So that's going to be the next videos, but that's the essentials of how to actually create all this. So that's all. With that, also, what this is a part of, and you should, if you're watching this, if it's on any place other than this, you do want to join the Genesis Accelerator. What this is a free 5 weeks to launch, basically everything that you would get in in anything else. You can launch any idea, building an MVP, getting your first user, dollar, scaling up, and demo day. Super simple. We just meet 6 to 7 weekly sessions each week on Zoom. The recordings are available, and the real key here is we're learning how to use AI to create whatever it is that you want to create for your idea, whether it's for sales, marketing, software, operations. We go through the entirety of it. You can build anything you imagine. So anything from like 2-seat electric sports car to a course to whatever it is, to a software product, anything that you can imagine, you are able to build here. And we build in community. So one of the most important things here is we do things in community. So this is a completely free, because what it is it's gathering a lot of people as we're going to the future here with AI agents and AI robotics. This is just going to get you in community and allow you to be able to create what you want. So one of the key things that we have is our founder dinners. So when you join, it is here. Let me just log into let me go to the onboarding here. No, I can't go to the onboarding here. All right, let me see if I can just do this. All right, can't do it through there. That's all right. We'll do the backup here. And I know we're going off on a little bit of a tangent here, but this is the most important thing, is just go to the fork of Genesis. This is one of the tools that we'll be using, and it will be, let me just go to the onboarding. And this is one of the things. So we have the Slack community, add the session to the calendar, and then the onboarding call, et cetera, et cetera. And what it is you'll be in community, you have that Slack group, and you also are encouraged to, we have from the Slack group, we actually have WhatsApp. So the Slack is everybody nationwide, worldwide, because we're going to expand to multiple countries, and everybody's in the Slack group. Now, the important thing is those founder dinners. And what those are is you're encouraged to create an actual WhatsApp chat, and we have different WhatsApp groups based on your city. So you'll have your city-based WhatsApp group. So you can actually do this in a community of founders right where you are, regardless if you're in a small remote town or a big city. What that is the biggest thing is you're going to be doing this in community as you build. So with that, have a fantastic rest of your day. And that's how you start with the high ticket course, or just creating your landing page for whatever it is that you want to create.